Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue XSS series or cross-site scripting series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's head over to Linux VM to start. We can log in to bWAPP. So the first is to choose the bug, what we are going to do in this video. Yes, cookies. So this bug must have a lot to do with cookie. Okay. So here we can choose your favorite movie, genre, action, but nothing is displayed below, just something like thank you for making your choice about the horror. So I think it's time to check the cookie. In order to do that, we can open Developer 2 and navigate to storage. And here, of course, there are several key value pairs in the cookie, but the first one has a lot to do with, the movie genre. And if we changes to something different, and the cookie will be changed as well. So I think the vulnerability lies in the cookie. So how to do? We can launch Burp Suite to intercept request and then manipulate it. Next. So now we can make our Burp Suite larger when it's loaded. So this would be clear, right? So now we can navigate to proxy tab and enable intercept option. So then we can, trigger the request one more time. Okay, here you see we have already intercepted the request. So I think we can change to something different, like the JSON, okay, and forward it. So now if you go back to the browser and check the cookie, you see our malicious, something like a malicious payload has been put into the cookie. In serial, attacker or we can put something malicious payload like JavaScript code. Unfortunately, I cannot find such a payload working. For example, if you trigger the request one more time, and you can change to like JavaScript script and alert. Because, of course, this information for certain will not be displayed on the page. Okay, so how about we use different function like console log, like document cookie, okay, and forward it. So now let's go back to the browser and check the cookies one more time. Although the payload has been written into cookie, this payload cannot get executed as we expected. Anyway, we have already, performed some sort of XSS or stored XSS. Okay? With that being said, let's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.